sun goes down, stars will shine. It's evening time, a special time. Pack your toys and clean the floor. Say thank you, day, we've learned some more. No, evening time is calm and sweet. Wash your hands, it's time to eat. Family talks, we laugh, we share. Evening love is everywhere. Homework done, books away. We had so much fun today. Brush your teeth and change to sleep. Evening promises dreams to keep. Good night moon, good night sky. Close your eyes, my dear, don't cry. Evening learning helps us grow. Tomorrow brings more fun to show.